going to simplify how to divide power with variable basis. Here these are instruction. Can you explain each and everything? How we simplify this?
Well, first what we would do is reciprocal, meaning we turn this exponent to here, which would give us the opposite operation, meaning 7
Good.
minus 3 is equal to 8 to the power of 4.
That's good. Excellent. Can you tell me about second question?
So basically, it's the same thing happening. We do the reciprocal. The operation changes. If the operation from the denominator is negative, that changes to positive, or positive to negative. But this time it's positive to negative, meaning x to the power of 9 minus 5, which would give us x to the power of 4.
Good.
Same thing here in the rest of the questions.
If I just change the value of negative 2 here, where m is negative square, what is
So
the answer for this?
that would give us 8 plus 2, because we're doing the reciprocal, meaning the operation is doing the opposite of what it's doing. Equals m to the power of 2, 10.
Good.
Oh,
Now instead of m, if I just write m is equal to 2, now what is the value? What is the answer for this question?
that would be 2 to the power of 8 plus 2, which would give us 2 to the power of 10.
Good. Now what is the value of 2 to the power 10?
2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024.
Oh, that's good. And in next one, y raised to the power 1 times 2 divided by y raised to the power 4.
How do you do that, teacher?
This is easy. Okay, let me make it easy for you. If I just remove the 2 from here, now what is the value? Question number
y
4.
y equals 1 to the y to the power of 1 minus 4. Y to the power of 1 plus 4.
Good. Now can you just show your work here?
There, teacher.
Good. And next one.
15 minus 6 is equal to
Now
9.
you simplify question number 5.
So basically, we do the reciprocal,
Reciprocal. Good.
meaning the positive 6 turns into a negative 6, because we're going the opposite way, meaning positive is
Good.
negative, negative is
Actually,
positive.